Dharma, purpose of life, harmony, and relevance of WTS in my personal and professional life. Embracing peace and harmony in our everyday life. Imagine waking up every day morning with a sense of calm and clarity, free from stress and negativity. While this may seem idealistic, it is entirely possible when we consciously shape our thoughts, action, and purpose. Peace and harmony are not just abstract ideas, they are practices that guide us towards a more meaningful and fulfilling life. Take the example of working professionals juggling deadlines and personal responsibilities. If they constantly focus on stress, their productivity will suffer. However, by shifting their mindset to their positivity and balance, they become more effective and at the peace. Similarly, someone who practices dharma, their duty, karma, the right actions will find that their efforts bring long-term rewards, whether in relationships, career growth, or personal fulfillment. This journey towards self-awareness and wisdom starts with small yet powerful steps. Choosing thoughts that uplift, embracing ethical living, and creating inner harmony. As we integrate these principles into our daily life, we are not only transforming ourselves but also inspire those around us to live with greater purpose and peace. Who I am and what is purpose of my life. Understanding my purpose has been a journey of self-recovery. Initially uncertain about my path, I engaged in various activities, traveling, volunteering, and pursuing education that helped clarify who I am. Through reflection, I realized my purpose lies in empowering others through education and support. This realization not only provided directions but also instilled a sense of fulfillment in my daily endeavors. Talking about power of thoughts, changing frequency of thoughts and its impact on myself. Thoughts possess vibrational frequency that influence our emotions and actions. Research indicates that changing habitual thoughts patterns can alter our reality. For example, when I consciously replace negative self-talk with affirmations, I notice a significant boost in my confidence and overall mood. Practicing mindfulness helped me catch old thoughts pattern and replace them with positive ones. This shift not only improved my mental state but also enhanced my interactions with others. This realization that my thoughts shape my experience empowered me to take control of my life. Harmony, understanding, and creating harmony within self and outside. Creating inner harmony involves balancing various aspects of life, emotional, physical, and spiritual. I found that practicing meditation helped me achieve the balance by dedicating time each day to reflect and center myself. I experienced reduced anxiety and increased clarity. The outcome were transformative. I became more resilient in facing challenges and more compassionate towards others. This harmony within allowed me to foster better relationships and contribute positively to my community. Talking about dharma and karma, understanding, practicing, and my experience. Dharma refers to one's duty or purpose in my life, while karma encompasses the actions taken in accordance with the purpose. Understanding these concepts has profoundly impacted my life choices. For example, I volunteered at a local charity, which aligned with my dharma of serving others. This act not only fulfilled my sense of purpose but also generated positive karma. Through this experience, I learned that every action has consequences, reinforcing the importance of making conscious choice. By living in accordance with my dharma, I felt more fulfilled and connected to the world around me.
Embracing these principles through power, dharma and karma, harmony within oneself, purpose in life and WTS can lead to profound personal growth and societal impact. Each aspect reinforces the other, creating a holistic approach to living a meaningful life. Peace and harmony are distant goals, but daily practices that shapes our lives. By harnessing the power of thoughts, we can transform negativity into motivation. Understanding and applying dharma and karma help us living with purpose and integrity. Creating inner harmony allow us to navigate challenges with resilience while exploring our life's purpose give us directions and fulfillment. Finally, wisdom towards self enhance our self-awareness, improving both personal and professional relationships. As Bhagavad Gita beautifully stated that Yog Karmasu Kausalam, excellence in action is yoga. By performing our duties with awareness and dedication, we create harmony within and around us.
Similarly, the Upanishad reminds us, Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina Sarve Shantu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschit Dukh Bhavate. May all beings be happy, may all be free from illness, may all see auspicious things, and may no one suffer. By embracing these timeless teachings, we cultivate a life of balance, clarity, meaningful connections. The journey begins with small, conscious steps. So, what will be yours?